So to close things off here, I just want to do a little bit of a final disclaimer here. On the easytradingbots.ca website, go to About Disclaimer. There's a disclaimer. Um, it's also on the dashboard and stuff. So I just want to be clear here. We have written, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a tax advisor. I offer Forex traders as well as people with little to no computer and trading experience an opportunity to trade with my bots by using a software service. Essentially, it's a back-end company that we're using that we've gone through in the dashboard and all that other good stuff, right? So do not try or use these bots with money you're not willing to lose. Now, nobody wants to lose money, but I don't want to see people, I've heard in the States, with other companies advertising, cash in your 401k or your RRSPs or whatever you got your retirement savings. Do not do that. There's just too much risk. Yes, these are making consistent gains, but anything can happen and people do take losses. Mistakes happen, markets go crazy. So again, we do not recommend you adjust your settings and try and maximize your returns. Unless you really fully understand this, you use this service at your own risk. Okay, so beware, market conditions change. The bots may take losses. Losing days will and do happen. We don't guarantee our bots are always going to be winners. Okay, we're not responsible for decisions or operations made by independent third parties, like the brokers we use, the VPS hosting services I use to keep the bots running 24/7, market conditions, the third-party backend company that deals with, the signal development, nor responsible in the event, bot codes experience bugs. Like, they're bug-free now. I constantly optimize and monitor them, but, they are part of a predetermined existing language, and, updates and things can occur. And while I've never had a bug occur or things like that, I guess it could happen from time to time. And, that if you take a loss, I'm probably going to take a loss on that, right? And you're just using this at your own risk, and it's not financial advice or anything like that, right? Nothing's perfect. So expect mistakes and losses to happen. Your risk management strategy should help you mitigate those things and absorb losses when they come. And again, another risk warning, trading leveraged products with Forex and CFDs, it's not suitable for everyone, and they carry high degrees of risk. So before deciding to trade any such leveraged products, you need to carefully consider your objectives, your level of experience, your risk appetite, and if you want, seek independent advice to fully understand the risks involved if you don't quite understand things. You also agree that Easy Trading Bots and myself, we're not liable for any losses or damages that you incur, including without limitation to any loss or loss of profit, which may arise directly or indirectly from the use of my bots. So using these bot signals, we take no responsibility for your account. You are simply copying our live trading account signal and controlling a copy of it for yourself. You are in control. I've done everything to date that I can think of to make things as easy for people that do copy my bots and understand what's really going on, more from an educational purpose than a marketing purpose. I focus on my bots myself, but I'm happy to pay it forward and help people out, right? So by using the service, you agree at your own risk. You agree that potential future losses of any kind, not the liability or responsibility of ETB or myself. You're in control of your own account. Bots are not set it and forget it, as you know throughout this course. You have to educate yourself to mitigate your own risk. Everyone's different. Everyone has different tolerance. So the subscription fees are put in place. They help me cover the operations of the software and other operational costs. Signals are non-refundable. You can review the signal data in full before purchase. You can join the Discord to gather information you need. I've made these free courses. I've got a TikTok account with countless videos on there, which I constantly do as well, before you commit to buying anything. Once you buy, there's no refund. It's just too complicated on my end. I'm not big business at this point. I'm just a guy, and a person like, um, you, whoever's watching this probably is. I'm just one of the people. Hopefully able to give something back to the people, right? So I'm not a big corporation. To cancel your signal, just simply ignore the renewals. Signals, just let it expire. This isn't a monthly subscription. You will be required monthly to accept renewal to keep your signal active month by month. And that is something that I talked about in the course. Again, the website, we don't really collect much information other than, giving people as much information as we can in order to make things as safe as we can for everybody that's involved, because we want to make money and we want you to make money too. So I hope that spells it out for everyone. I think everybody in my community gets that. People have taken loss. Nobody blames me for anything. I blame myself when I take losses, and people usually blame themselves when they take losses. Bots are no guarantee. They just make life a lot easier, and they make it a lot more fun for those of us that don't really know the ins and outs of stuff to be able to take some quality positions and make some money along the way. But again, educate yourself, watch this course again, and come join us in the Discord. And happy botting.